Okay, we want to consider quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or is equal to y. So you can either write it as as squared plus bx plus c is equal to y, or as squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this case, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So in a quadratic equation of this form, as squared plus bx plus c, a, b, and c are referred to as constants. They are constants. A, b, and c are constants. So if you're asked to define what a quadratic equation is, you will notice that the highest power is 2. So a quadratic equation is also an equation with degree of 2, or that has the degree of 2, or that has the highest power to be 2. So that is a quadratic equation. We also have what is referred to as quadratic expression. In a quadratic expression, the form is simply as squared plus bx plus c. There's no equality sign, or it is not equated to 0. It is not equated to y. It is just an expression. So if you ask what is the difference between a quadratic equation and a quadratic expression, it's simple. A quadratic equation is an equation of degree 2, or that has the highest power to be 2, and it is always equated to 0 or to another variable. While a quadratic expression is also having a degree of 2, but it is not equated to 0, it is not equated to any variable. So today we've looked at what a quadratic equation is. I said a quadratic equation is an equation of the form as raised to power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to y or equal to 0, where a, b, and c are constants. And a quadratic expression is also an equation that has degree of 2, but it is not equated to 0, it is not equated to y. In our next other class, we shall be looking at what a variable is. Thank you.